How did I get here? I often ask myself that. I started with nothing. Nothing but a little ambition and a vision of something more. I was always first in, last to leave. Sometimes didn't leave at all. I made a few mistakes along the way. Missed things I promised I wouldn't. But I was always quick to make up for it. I made a point of remembering a name, even if it meant asking twice. And never once claimed luck didn't play its part. I've been burnt out, pushed out, but I never once sold out. Nothing. It has a funny way of motivating you. Until eventually, you turn nothing into something. And realize everything you put your heart and soul into was worth it.